Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. A must-have for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional, the Jefe Hex Drill Bit Set. This comprehensive collection features the most frequently used sizes, including extra small bits, all securely housed in a rugged, professional-grade plastic case with an indexed holder for effortless storage and retrieval. Designed for versatility, these bits excel in a variety of applications, from home maintenance and repair to industrial projects. The high-speed steel bits boast a titanium coating that triples their lifespan compared to uncoated bits, ensuring long-lasting performance. The innovative easy-cut split-point design minimizes pressure and prevents wandering on work surfaces, while the fully ground, modified parabolic flute clears chips quickly, reducing friction and heat. The tapered web further enhances durability, cutting down on breakage. With a 1/4-inch hex shank that fits standard power tools and impact drivers, the Jefe Hex set delivers exceptional torque, precision, and reliability every time. To upgrade projects to be more complete and neat, the R12 DCT concrete saw is the best perfect choice for it. This powerhouse is engineered with dual-sided water delivery to keep dust under control and fully compliant with OSHA standards. It delivers a remarkable 4.5-inch cutting depth and features an adjustable blade guard, making both vertical and horizontal cuts smooth and hassle-free. Powered by a 15/8 electric motor, this saw eliminates the need for pull cords, fuel, and constant maintenance, letting you focus on the task at hand. Plus, it comes with a 3-year best-in-class warranty and innovative Power Protect technology for added peace of mind. The package also includes a premium 12-inch diamond blade specifically designed for tackling a variety of materials from masonry, brick, and roof tile to pavers, stone, concrete, and even steel-reinforced concrete. A rapid safety brake ensures the blade stops within 2 to 10 seconds, putting your safety first every time you work. You're in search of a versatile and reliable inflator. The Air Pump Inflator might just be your new best friend. This powerful tool can deliver up to 150 psi, making it perfect for quickly inflating everything from tires to sports balls and other small inflatables. Its clear display not only shows you the current tire pressure, but also lets you preset the desired PSI, ensuring accurate inflation every time. The built-in work light, accompanied by red and yellow emergency lights, makes it a handy companion for nighttime or roadside use. A part of the Works PowerShare family, it works seamlessly with all Works 20-volt and 40-volt tools, along with various outdoor power products. Safety is paramount thanks to its automatic shut-off feature. You won't have to worry about overinflating your gear. The 3-feet high-pressure hose provides extended reach, while the onboard storage holds 3 essential adapters for tires, sports equipment, and air mattresses. Portable and easy to store, it even includes extras like a sports ball needle, a press-to-valve adapter, and a tapered adapter. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Step up your workshop game with this innovative portable grinder that's built to handle even the toughest tasks. Featuring a robust 7.5 amp motor with a maximum output of 900 watts, it delivers a no-load speed of 11,000 RPM, ideal for the most demanding applications. Its sleek, lightweight, and compact design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended professional cutting and grinding sessions. The integrated spindle lock allows for quick and hassle-free abrasive wheel changes, while the adjustable 2-position auxiliary handle ensures superior control, comfort, and versatility across various projects. Plus, its built-in protective cover effectively shields you from sparks and metal chips, enhancing safety with every use. This portable grinder combines precision, power, and protection to meet all your professional needs. This versatile oscillating blade tool kit will satisfy you with its professional design for a variety of tasks. Please note that these blades aren't compatible with Fine Starlock, Bosch MX30, Bosch Quick Release tools, or Fine Supercut. In addition to those advantages, inside the kit you'll find 6 different types of blades, each engineered for specific applications. So whether you're slicing through wood, metal, plastic, or other materials, ideal for both workshop projects and household repairs, these blades are forged from a blend of alloy and high-carbon steel, using advanced techniques and thicker gauge metals for lasting durability. Dual-sided length markers, offering both inches and centimeters, ensure fast, accurate cuts. Plus, 2 specially designed precision blades with extended wavy teeth deliver faster, cleaner cuts on wood and plastic, and the quick release feature fits many popular oscillating tools. Say goodbye to the hassle of uneven cuts. This innovative tool makes slicing through 14-gauge material a breeze, while delivering a precision, burr-free edge every time. Engineered for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, its revolutionary 360-degree double cutting head adapts effortlessly, letting you transition smoothly from straight lines to elegant curves and even perfect circles. Outfitted with robust high-speed steel blades, it tackles a wide range of materials from standard sheet metal and corrugated surfaces to pipes, complex profiles, and even powder-coated finishes. It also excels with stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, and fiberglass. Compatible with any drill operating between 1500 to 3000 RPM. Ideal for car repairs or home maintenance projects like metal roof cutting and HVAC vent pipework, this versatile sheet metal nibbler transforms your cutting tasks into a quick, clean, and efficient process every time. Discover a new level of performance with these drill bits, crafted from cobalt high-speed steel and enhanced with a durable titanium coating. Engineered to withstand even the toughest tasks, they maintain their sleek, shiny appearance over years of use, while delivering consistent, precise results. With a range of shank sizes available, these bits are fully compatible with 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch chucks, ensuring versatility for any drilling need. Whether you're working on steel, aluminum, wood, or plastic, the innovative non-walking drill tip allows for fast, smooth penetration, minimizing slippage and enhancing accuracy every time. For optimal performance and extended bit life, it's a good idea to mark your drilling spot before starting. Plus, each set comes neatly organized in a sturdy, well-designed case, making transport and storage effortless. Elevate your projects with these high-performance drill bits and experience the perfect blend of durability and precision. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. The tile cutter is an essential tool for DIY projects, easily adapting to 2 standard shaft sizes. It also features a universal mounting slot and removable center ring core, ensuring a perfect fit with a wide range of angle grinders. Perfect whether you're using a pneumatic cutting tool or an electric model, this blade excels in both dry and wet cutting applications. Crafted with precision, the Go Yonder Diamond Blade features a unique X-teeth rim edge that delivers fast, smooth, and whisper-quiet cuts. Its ultra-thin 1.2mm porcelain design minimizes chipping, making it an ideal match for handheld machines. Perfect for cutting porcelain, ceramic tile, granite, sandstone, quartz, and more. This blade offers reliability and performance on every cut. With size according to customer requirements, it's engineered to suit most tile saws and angle grinders with 5/8 or 7/8 arbors. Embrace precision and efficiency in your next project with this high-performance diamond blade. Discover a chainsaw that perfectly blends safety, precision, and ease of use. A sturdy metal baffle separates the work area from the handle, preventing sawdust splashes while shielding your hand with durable, wear-resistant metal. Its ergonomically designed, non-slip handle ensures a firm grip, minimizing any unwanted shaking during operation. Equipped with a high-quality chain featuring 22 serrations, this electric chainsaw delivers exceptional hardness and wear resistance for fast, smooth cutting. It arrives fully assembled and compatible with your angle grinder, no additional chain installation required. The conveniently located rotary knob near the handle allows for quick adjustments to chain tension during use. A visible oil jug continuously lubricates the chain, reducing wear. Simply open the cover while working and securely close it when finished. A reinforced rubber ring further ensures a stable, secure attachment every time. Explore the links below to upgrade your skills. Revitalize your restoration projects with our state-of-the-art portable sandblaster, designed to effortlessly strip away rust and old paint. Outfitted with a robust ceramic nozzle, a media container, and an air adapter, this tool is engineered for complete surface preparation. Whether you're breathing new life into cherished wooden furniture with a gentle soda blasting option, prepping classic auto bodies for a sleek finish, or embarking on creative ventures like crafting and glass etching, this versatile device adapts to your every need. Operating at a powerful 120 psi, it ensures consistent, high-performance cleaning, while the durable ceramic nozzle delivers a smooth and steady media flow throughout every job. Its compact, easy-to-handle design makes it perfect for intricate tasks as well as extended projects. Quick to set up and free from complicated adjustments, it also prevents media buildup, guaranteeing a hassle-free experience every time.